Hey folks, welcome back to our Scamp Life. So this is kind of the oops video. Apparently I filmed this video, I edited this video way back in like June, and I kind of forgot about it. So I'm just posting it now, and so hopefully you guys will enjoy my little mistake video. But I still think it turned out okay. Let me know in the comments below. Hey folks, welcome back to our Scamp Life. I just wanted to do a really quick video on making this little shelf. It comes in super handy when we're boondocking, and just wanted to show you how we do it. Stick around. So this is the shelf, and it's actually super duper simple to put together. It's just a board. In fact, I don't even know where I got this board from. It's about 2.5 feet long, and it's about 1.5 feet wide. Not much to it. It's seen some rain, that's why we've got some separation happening there, but it still works. And it's just held in by a ratchet strap, which is probably much more than I actually need. And it runs around the front of the frame of the camper there, underneath the LP tank holder, and just kind of comes up behind here. I made sure that I did not wrap it around the actual plate where the LP tanks sit, but what's nice about it is you don't always need, if you just want to use it as just kind of a lightweight table, you don't need to put the ratchet strap on it if you've got these two LP tank setups, because it'll sit relatively flat on there. But we like to use it to hold things like our big 5-gallon water jug, which has got a lot of weight to it, and so that's why we put the ratchet strap around it. But I just thought I'd show you how we did it. And it does make it, by the way, when you're at camp, you're going to want to make sure that you turn on your LP tanks, your propane tanks first, just because it does kind of get in the way of accessing your on and off gauge there. And so we do not travel with this attached, or obviously this on there, but we don't travel with this shelf attached to the front of the camper. This is just something that sits up against the wall or on the floor while we're traveling. When we get to the place that we're going to go boondocking at, we'll set this up. It just takes a minute, or probably less than a minute, to actually do. The longest part is getting this strap around and through the bottom part of the frame down there. We've also used it for our camp stove up here. Now you are going directly above propane tanks, so you're going to want to be careful, make sure you have no leaks. But we have used the stove up here when we've been boondocking and we want to cook outside. We have actually stood and just kind of had drinks on here also, so it works really good for stuff like that. This thing doesn't bend forward. It really doesn't move that much at all when you have any weight on it whatsoever. So it's held up for a couple of seasons that we've used it. So we hope that you found this video helpful. If you did and you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button below. And until next time, God bless.